Good morning amigos, another day to make another pound. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the factory. I've got Batman downstairs finalizing our island. We're busy giving a final touch. I've got Droops the Superman. He's gone back to Hanover to remove some tiles behind the toilet seats so that they can install new bracket. They call it the Japanese bracket. I'll be heading out to London to meet one of our existing clients. They've got a new project going online and we're doing our first site visit. Behind me, number 84 Brook Street. That was one of the projects that we completed about 6 months ago. And now we're going to go to Farm Street, meet with the team. And hopefully it's the same guys that we dealt with in Brook Street that we're going to be dealing with at Farm. I'm looking forward to the visit. Cats, see beautiful buildings, architecture's outstanding. Sometimes we see these little beauties, these little gems. Oh, Porsche 911. Always amazes me all the nice things we see in London. Nice little chapel there. There we go. I think I found it. Now that was a very good meeting. We definitely got that in the bag. So I need to push on all the other projects that we've got on hand, so that we can get this one going. From Bond to Waterloo, another trip in London, underground. Today was a great day. I came back from London. I definitely have a good feeling that we'll get this project in Farm Street, and the guys progressed well in the workshop. Things are ready for installation tomorrow. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, press the like button, ring the bell, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Thank you.